A day in my life as an HM student na naabot sa wealthy. For today's video, we're going to define a problem, determining the cause of the problem, identifying, prioritizing, and selecting alternatives for a solution, and implementing a solution.
So by solving the problem number 1 here,
5 times a number increased by 7 is equal to 47.
we have to identify first their numerical number. So 5 times a number. So we're going to leave it a blank here because it is an unknown variable. Equals another blank, increased by 7 is equal to 47. Now we're going to prioritize what is the missing numbers. We have 47 here. We have to find and select alternative solution. 47 will be subtracted to 7. "47 less than 7 is 40. So the missing number here is 40. Here, we have to implement a variable to be increased by 5 to get the 40 here. 40 divided by 5, 40 divided by 5 is equal to 8. 40 divided by 5 is equal to 8. Right. 8. We're going to put 8 here. These are the missing numbers. So here's example number 2. The sum of 3 consecutive integers is 42. Find the 3 numbers. We have to find the integers of 42. So what are the integers of 42? We have 13, 14, and 15. 13 plus 14 is equal to 27 plus we have 15 here. 27 is added to 15 is equal to 42. 27 plus 15 is equal to 42. So, the example number 3. A basketball team played 32 games and won 3 times as many games as it lost. How many games did the team win? We have 32 and 3. 32 multiplied by 3 is equal to 96. So the basketball team win 96 times. Sample number 4. Two case workers share an office. The first case worker has 15 active cases. The second worker has twice the number of active cases. How many active cases does the office have? We have a variable 15 here and a mathematical here. 15 twice multiplied by 2 is equal to 30. Then added by 15 is equal to 45. The active cases that the office have is 45. Example number 5. 9 times a number decreased by 5 is equal to 49. What is the number? Numerical form, we have to identify first the variable and the mathematical sign 9 and this one 5 and 49. So 9 times blank, a number, is equal to blank minus 5 is equal to 49. We're going to add 49 and 5 here. So 49 plus 5 is equal to 54. To get the variable here, 59 divided by 9. 6. The missing number here is 6.